She's all cozy up, but she's looking at the string. Hey. Oh. She loves it. Oh, now is she stuck on it? Mm. Mm. Jeez. I can't believe her. What's going on? What's the fascination with the string? I don't understand. Why she's bored. She's bored because she's staying. She is so comfortable. And look, the back of her is covered in the blanket. And she's nuts. Crazy. D. What is the... I don't understand. Why is the feather today and she gets a... She likes to play with this string. I don't understand. Now she's bored. She's stuck to it. But look, she's all covered up. And I had her ready for bed tonight. Now she's acting up. It's 3:45 in the morning. Ink. She loves the string. I don't know what... She scratched me up. Oh my god, she scratched me up today. We were playing a little bit. Oh my god, she made... My hands are all... My hands are all cut out.